Jackie, where did that performance come from?
No, I think it's within the players to play like that. You know, it's stuff we see day to day with them in training, and it's stuff you want to see in the games. And maybe a bit of fears come out of them tonight. Nothing to lose, and you know the result of that is a good performance and taking responsibility, not just in certain areas, but even from the back, passing balls out and doing it simply. So a lot of good performances, a lot of players playing with pride, desire. As I said, it's before the game to the players. It takes certain people there to stand up and fight. At this point, you know, some people can shy away and hide behind things. Other ones stand up and want to be involved in it. You know, the importance of the game and obviously the pressure in it.
Did that prove just how far you've come since that 6-0 defeat at their ground earlier in the season?
I think it proves the difference in our team. I think in terms of football, you know, there's no way that same team we could have the same energy and, you know, passing and movement. You know, obviously a couple of younger ones in there. You know, I thought Luke Hendry was his best game for York tonight. Fantastic ball for the second. Kyle Cameron likewise. I thought he was excellent. But I think every one of them, you know, Josh Carson coming in at left back and an unfamiliar role for him, but I thought he was very, very good. You know, at the last minute coming in. Summerfield, Penn, energy and their ability. A great finish from Summerfield. So there's so many things. Fuster up front, holding the line. We Lewis, I thought were excellent.
How pleasing was it just to see that commitment from every player? Because it has been questioned of late, some of the players' commitment.
It is, yeah. It's not just of outside of here. It's something that I see, and you know, as a manager, you want everybody to go out and represent you, what you're about yourself, about hard work and desire. You know, as a player, I wasn't the best footballer, but I gave everything I had every game. You know, and a relative successful career with doing that, and it's getting the players to go out there and give everything they have every week. You know, the ability's there, as I said, and people paying good money home and away to come and watch them. The most they expect is hard work, and when they see that, they'll react to it.
Did some of those players actually prove that they might have a future at this club next season?
Well, tonight, as I said, I think there's 2 players that started the game that are under contract next year, which is Scott Flinders and James Barrett. So obviously there's 5 loanees in that. They're not our players, unfortunately. I wish some of them were. But yeah, there's other ones there that I thought were excellent. But we've got a lot of work to do between now, you know, the end of the season and beyond that, building for next year.
How far ahead are you actually thinking now? Has recruitment started for next year yet?
Yeah, it has. To be honest, it's something we're looking at there. We're meeting next week and we'll go through a lot of things. But we have to prepare for the worst and obviously for the best.
That's great.